Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm regular content creator. I upload video daily on YouTube. Please like, comment and share. So I'm going to show you how to make a salary account, salary sheet, balance sheet by Excel. So first of all, I have to create a new Excel sheet and open it and type first row and column employees, A column employees, B column salary, and mark it, bold it and rearrange in middle point and in color it. My favorite color is yellow, so I'm looking another color like sky blue. So first employee's name is Mike and his salary is a lot of salary. He's earned $20,000. Next employees are Adam. Adam's salary more than Mike. His salary is greater than Mike. His salary is 22,000 US dollar. Next employees are Stephen. Stephen's salary is better than Adam. His salary is $25,000. So guys, $25,000 right. And next employees are Lily. Lily is better than Stephen. His salary is 28,000 US dollars. So guys, 28,000 US dollars is big amount. We will rearrange after complete the sheet. Hopper is better than Lily. 30,000 US dollar is Hopper's earning per month. Yes, this is per month salary, not per year salary. Annual salary is not. They are rich. Then next employees are Robin. Robin's earning is 35,000 US dollar. We'll all mark, rearrange in middle after the light color, light pink, light purple. Total all employee salary are yes, this color is better. To total salary, how can we calculate? Just click auto sum. See, just one click and calculate it. Wow, it's magic. This is magic. This is a calculator, computer. First computer is making for calculation. Calculation is first priority for making computer. Why? Because all salary is same. No. Control Z to back. We have to select all and click auto sum. There was no way for calculate by one click. There is no way. Just click all just select all and click auto sum. It's magic. Auto sum is best, not even this. Here is average calculation, here is auto sum calculation, here is many things. Average is means 26 গড়, বাংলা যেটাকে গড় বলে, total average. We didn't write in average, we write in, we calculate in total salary. So guys, this video is enough for